Unlock your potential in advanced AI development with Nanoschool's specialized course on profiling AI workloads. Welcome to Nanoschool, India's leading deep science learning organization, offering an NSTC-accredited advanced course. Nanoschool is renowned for its deep science learning approach, providing cutting-edge education in artificial intelligence. Our course is fully accredited by the NSTC, ensuring high-quality, recognized education in the AI field. You'll master essential profiling tools like NVIDIA nvprof, Insight, Intel VTune, and PyTorch Profiler. This 3-week course is designed to provide full-stack foundations, helping you optimize AI workloads from end to end. Learn to accurately diagnose, analyze, and optimize AI workloads, moving beyond guesswork with practical techniques. Effectively eliminate bottlenecks in LLMs, vision models, and complex training pipelines, boosting performance significantly. You'll gain key skills to measure, visualize, and fix performance bottlenecks in real-world AI systems designed for advanced practitioners. Engage in hands-on projects that provide practical experience with real-world AI optimization scenarios. Profile a ResNet training loop to identify memory versus compute bottlenecks in a vision model bottleneck report. Utilize PyTorch Profiler to significantly reduce latency in a Llama 2 decoder layer for LLM inference optimization. Conclude with a full-stack AI performance audit, combining VTune for CPU and Insight for GPU, reviewed by NSTC mentors. Discover the unique advantages of learning with Nanoschool, tailored for your success in AI development. Gain access to GPU-enabled cloud labs with A100/H100 and receive direct feedback from NSTC-certified mentors. Receive an NSTC-accredited certificate, verifiable on LinkedIn, and recognized by top Indian AI teams and semiconductor companies. Enroll today for the advanced AI development track with a 30-day refund policy and start your journey to AI mastery.